What's the meaning of alimentary canal? Alimentary canal. Alimentary canal. Alimentary canal. Alimentary canal. Alimentary canal.
The alimentary canal is a long, muscular tube that runs from the mouth to the anus and is responsible for digesting and absorbing nutrients from food and eliminating waste products. It includes the mouth, pharynx, esophagus, stomach, small intestine, large intestine, rectum, and anus. During digestion, food is broken down by enzymes and acids in the various sections of the alimentary canal, with the nutrients being absorbed into the bloodstream for use by the body. Waste products are eliminated through the rectum and anus as feces.